A lawyer isn't giving up on trying to stop the release of names of men accused of giving business to a fitness instructor charged with running a prostitution operation out of her Zumba studio in Kennebunk, Maine. The state judge declined to stop the release of names, but a lawyer was filing an appeal Friday. Kennebunk Police Lieutenant Anthony Burpee said law enforcement officials were awaiting word from the courts. Alexis Wright has pleaded not guilty to prostitution, invasion of privacy and other charges for allegedly accepting money for sex and thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Secretly videotaping her encounters. Her business partner also has pleaded not guilty. Kennebunk police have been issuing summons to Wright's John and originally planned to release the first names of suspected clients on Friday. Lawyer Stephen Schwartz is appealing and is also asking permission to take the case to Superior Court. This is a breaking news update. Check back soon for further information. AP's earlier story is below. The state judge declined to block the release of names of men accused of giving business to a fitness instructor. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Charged with running a prostitution operation out of her Zumba fitness studio, and police in the seaside town prepared Friday to reveal the first batch of identities. Alexis Wright, a 29-year-old fitness instructor from Wells, has pleaded not guilty to 106 counts of prostitution, invasion of privacy, tax evasion and other charges for allegedly accepting money for sex and secretly videotaping her encounters. Her business partner, Mark Strong Sr., a 57-year-old insurance agent and private investigator from has pleaded not guilty to 59 misdemeanor charges for his alleged role. Searches of Wright's studio and thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Office turned up video recordings of sexual acts, billing information and meticulous records about clients, according to court documents. Based on that information, Kennebunk police have begun issuing summonses to Wright's John on misdemeanor charges of engaging the prostitute. The first names were to be released Friday in police activity reports that are made public every other week, said Lieutenant Anthony Burpee. But a lawyer for two of the men believed to be on the list asked a judge on Thursday to issue a preliminary injunction preventing the release of the names. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. District Judge Henry Janelle quickly rejected the motion for restraining order and a preliminary injunction to stop the release of names. The 3-page order was signed by the judge Thursday night and filed Friday in Biddeford District Court. The existence of such a list has fueled speculation about who is on it. Residents have said they've heard it could include lawyers, law enforcement officers and some well-known names. Strong's attorney, Dan Lilly, has said he has a list of more than 150 people who were alleged customers, but that he wouldn't thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Release the names unless they're called as witnesses if the case goes to trial. Allison Oakley, who participated in Wright's Zumba class, said she had no idea that Wright was allegedly leading the double life. She was very professional. She was an amazing dancer and she held a good class, so I liked going. I thought she was a little, not risque but a little flirtatious, with a couple of the male participants in the class. But it's Zumba. You're there to have fun. I didn't think anything of it. The case thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Has rocked this small town, which is well known for its ocean beaches, old sea captains' mansions and the neighboring town of Kennebunkport, home to the Bush family's Walker's Point summer compound. It'll be interesting to see who's on that list because we're hearing that there are selectmen, there are policemen, that there are firemen, people that we're going to know in town, said local resident Elaine Nicholson. So everyone is, like, waiting with bated breath.